Have you ever felt like you're navigating a maze blindfolded, especially when it comes to something as crucial as your credit report? Maybe you spotted an error, or perhaps you're trying to dispute a fraudulent account. Whatever the reason, you need to contact Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus. But where do you even start? It can feel like a daunting task, wading through automated systems and confusing websites. Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle to find the right way to connect with Equifax. That's why in this video, we're breaking down exactly how to contact Equifax, covering all the different methods, from online portals to snail mail, and even phone numbers, so you can choose the option that works best for you. Your credit report is a snapshot of your financial history, and it plays a huge role in your ability to get loans, rent an apartment, and even sometimes secure a job. So, ensuring its accuracy is paramount. If you find yourself needing to reach out to Equifax, it's likely for one of a few key reasons. Perhaps you've discovered an error on your report, like an incorrect address, a mistaken late payment, or worse, an account you don't recognize. These errors can negatively impact your credit score, making it harder to achieve your financial goals. Or maybe you're a victim of identity theft, and you need to report fraudulent activity. Equifax is a crucial point of contact in these situations. You might also need to place a security freeze on your credit report to protect yourself from identity thieves. Or, perhaps you simply want to request a copy of your credit report, which you're entitled to do for free annually. Whatever your reason, knowing how to contact Equifax efficiently is essential. Let's start with the most common and often the most convenient method, the Equifax website. Equifax has a dedicated website, Equifax.com, which serves as a central hub for all things credit-related. Navigating to their Contact Us section can often lead you to specific forms and resources tailored to your needs. For example, if you're disputing an error on your credit report, you'll likely find a dedicated online form for that purpose. These forms usually guide you through the process, asking for specific information and documentation to support your claim. This online method is often the fastest way to initiate a dispute, as it allows you to submit your information directly to Equifax's systems. You can also often track the status of your dispute online, which provides a level of transparency and convenience. Beyond disputes, the Equifax website also provides information and resources for other inquiries. You can find details about security freezes, fraud alerts, and how to obtain your free annual credit report. The website also often provides FAQs and other helpful resources that might answer your questions without needing to contact them directly. So, before picking up the phone or writing a letter, it's always a good idea to check the Equifax website first. Now, let's talk about contacting Equifax by phone. While online methods are often preferred for their efficiency, sometimes you need to speak to a real person. Equifax does have customer service phone numbers, but navigating their automated phone system can be tricky. It's essential to be prepared with the necessary information before you call, such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. This will help you navigate the system more quickly and get to the right department. However, be aware that wait times can be long, and you might encounter automated menus before reaching a live representative. Phone contact is often best reserved for situations where you have complex questions or require immediate assistance. For routine inquiries and disputes, the online methods are usually more efficient. Another way to contact Equifax, though less common in today's digital age, is through mail. Yes, you can still send a letter to Equifax. This method might be preferred if you have a complex situation that requires detailed explanation, or if you need to send physical documentation that can't be easily uploaded online. However, keep in mind that snail mail is the slowest method of communication. It can take several weeks for your letter to reach Equifax and for them to respond. If you choose to contact Equifax by mail, be sure to include all necessary information, such as your full name, social security number, date of birth, current and previous addresses, and a clear explanation of your inquiry. Make copies of all documents you send for your records. The address for Equifax is usually available on their website, so be sure to check for the most up-to-date information. Now, a crucial point to remember when contacting Equifax, regardless of the method, is documentation. Keep meticulous records of all your interactions with Equifax. This includes the dates of your calls, the names of any representatives you speak with, copies of any emails or letters you send, and confirmation numbers for online submissions. If you're disputing an error on your credit report, gather all supporting documentation, such as account statements, canceled checks, or any other evidence that proves the information is incorrect. The more organized and thorough your documentation, the smoother the process will be. Another important tip is to be patient. Dealing with credit bureaus can sometimes take time. It might take several weeks or even months for Equifax to investigate and resolve your issue. Don't hesitate to follow up if you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame. Persistence is key. So, to summarize, contacting Equifax can be done through several channels: their website, phone, and mail. The website is often the most efficient method for routine inquiries and disputes. Phone contact is best for complex situations requiring immediate assistance. Mail is the slowest method but might be necessary for certain situations. Regardless of the method you choose, remember to be prepared with the necessary information, keep meticulous records, and be patient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.